This is that blooper reel. Can't get the tape going. Could somebody do this for me?
Do you eat your fingernails?
No, I don't. I eat my toenails. But not my. We're here at PAC-12 Network. We got a lot of stuff going on here. We've already finished all the TVs, like the conference rooms and a few more. And we're doing the cameras right now. We also have access control. It's working.
Kevin Curry, Senior Manager of Facilities for PAC-12. We met Ben with Digital Dreams through Verkada. They recommended him. We wanted to go with Verkada for our new facility from the very beginning. We thought Verkada was a great solution to some of our issues we were having. So we were able to get a one-stop solution for everything. Access control, CCTV, everything that we needed all within one application. So far the system has been fantastic. The install has gone very, very smooth. No issues at all with install. The command platform on the web has been really, really user-friendly. It's super simple to configure, change, make things exactly the way that you want it, label cameras and the such. It's been very simple for us to use. The speed of the install has gone much quicker than we had anticipated. We figured 3 weeks, and I think we're just into 2 weeks now, but there's been some challenges because we've got a lot of other contractors on site, so there's been some delays, but the install has gone much quicker than anticipated.
We got big Verkada going on here. We're at the PAC-12's new location. Stop, bro, don't record me. We got doors, cameras, AC61. We did a ton of conference rooms, ton of TVs. I can't talk. We're here at PAC-12's new location. We've done a ton of conference rooms. We've done access control and also a lot of cameras, Verkada's access control, of course. So the dead space in there we can't get to. You know, we tried to get the rod in there, but it won't go straight down, so we had to improvise. So we dropped this thing down so it went straight down into the dead space, and I was able to hook it and then pull it out. This is real technical, trade secrets I'm giving up here. Hey, we got it. Whatever it takes to get the job done. Digital Dreams. Access control is not 100% going yet, but we have card reader here. It's our IDF. We also have AC61 here. This controls all the doors. Right here, we're still in the process of hooking everything up. We're trying to get all the locks and all the sensors done first, and then we'll start hooking that up.
We are landing all the access control wires, so all the card readers, the wire that carries the voltage out to the lock to unlock it, as well as what's called DPI, door position indicator. Lets them know if the door is left open or closed, status of the door. So we're just dressing it in, keeping it all nice and tidy, and label everything. Probably be here most of the day.
We got some TVs on the outside of the offices here that we moved from their old location to this location. There's a few offices that we also did. Like we got this one is an office. This is one of the TVs that we brought over here and hung. We got a ton of cameras, everything. You see everything is covered here. We got variation of some cameras. We got some high def 62s. We got some 52s, some CD52s, a lot of fish eyes out here too, just because the fish eye coverage covers the whole area here. We got cameras in this location. This is gonna be their reception area right here. Also put the TV there. We got hanging cameras here, hanging from the ceiling. This is also one of our cameras here, suspended from the ceiling here on the all thread, kind of getting the view of the hallway here. Got more fish eyes. These fish eyes will be a little bit different. There's a few things you could do with Verkada cameras in the setup, and these right here will be set up to a 4-way directional. So what was intended here was the camera to be placed here. They'll have a view of this hallway. They'll have a view of that hallway, this one, and this door here. But that's something that we do in programming there. Let me walk you around too. We'll check out a few conference rooms. It's another one of the conference rooms that we also hung here too. Yeah, the speaker as well. It's all part of their system. So, you know, everything's neatly placed back here. They got a few different things going on. We have access control here too, but I wanted to show you here. You kind of seen what we were doing on the other side as we were drilling the holes and fishing through. This is one finished here. So these are the DPIs here. which are door position indicators to let them know what position the door is in, if it's either open or closed. And also, you can't see it, but we place a magnet here, and that's what makes the contact and breaks the contact, so they could see if the door is open or closed. Then this is their lobby for the elevator here. We got 2 points of access here. We have access and control on this side. You can see the cameras placed up here, also to record the trigger events when the access door is triggered open. It also creates a clip for it. So we also have the camera on this side, but on this side's a little bit different. We do have intercom, so that way they could call in. And if you don't have a badge, you can be let in from here, this area right here. Right now we're trying to fish down DPIs, which is door position indicators. This lets them know once the AC blooper, man. Stop rolling, man. When I do this,
you just keep going.
When I do this, it means stop, man. You just gotta keep going?
Yeah, just restart what you're saying.
Take 2 on scene here.
He's just giving you more to watch. He's making it harder on his end.
Take scene 2. Right now, me and this gentleman are trying to fish down. Stop it.